Hi. So I am going to do a video review on what we call the Snap-on Smile. Okay, so that's the mold that you bite down into. Quite frankly, I had to make some adjustments because of my teeth. You might have to do the same thing, yes, but that's the mold after biting down into it. And quite frankly, it fits. Well, once you get it in position. Initial claims right there to us tell us we're still probably a long way from a recession, and that's what it looks like when it's done. After you make your mold, you cool it down, and then you just put it in. Now, there we go. It does come out. It is kind of hard at first, but yeah. If you're missing a tooth like that, have a big old gap, it works pretty good. It molds around the teeth that you do have towards where, well, it stays in place. So here's the before. And the after. Nice smile, huh? And it actually makes it look like you're not receding any gum line or teeth or like that. It actually pushes your gum line back up where it should be if you have a receding gum line. So it works pretty good. I'd have to say this is a complete thumbs up with a nice smile to go with it. I'd say so. Looks great. So far, I've had a lot of compliments on Facebook after just posting the first photo today. And a lot of people asked me where I got it, how much I spent. It was very, very affordable. So I went and ordered another set of the Snap-on molds so I can do the bottom. And when I go do the bottom, I'll do a actual live view of how it works, so you can see how to do it, and then you can just go from there. It works if you got crooked teeth, missing teeth, big gappy teeth. It works. I would recommend buying the 2-pack, so that way if you do have a lot of big gappy teeth and they're really, really tall buck-like type teeth, people out there that do know what I'm talking about know exactly what I'm saying when I say big buck teeth. You want to have a little bit more molding, so what you could do is you could take a little bit off of the other one after you heat it up, put it into the other, so you can make that access fit a little bit better. And then, just bite down on it, press it, hold it there for a couple minutes or whatever, let it start to harden, and then you pull it out, run it under cold water, and then there you go. You got brand new set of teeth. That's my review. Have a good one.